right next to Evan's house, aren't we?
Yeah, we're close.
Close, Cooper. Cocky, my good boy.
We're pretending to be retarded.
You guys are so retarded.
Is Evan's down there?
Really? Just call him up.
Is Mad Dog in the Park right around the corner?
No, we're like way south of that.
Really?
Dude, we're in like South Mission.
Seems like so
What the fuck are we doing?
familiar.
So familiar.
So familiar. So ridiculous. God, I can't really sober.
Awesome. I want to go Spain. You too? I know you do.
Stop. I don't want you to run over, man. I was doing my phone.
But I want you to.
Thank God, I'm punching your face.
Yeah.
Yo, I was DT or in goddamn noggin, dude.
Hold on, let's ask those people where the burrito place is.
Yeah. Yes, I want to.
Hey, excuse me, do you guys know if there's a burrito place down there? Excuse me. Do you guys know if there's a burrito place down there?
Oh, my shoe. I want this shoe. No, I need it.
I need it.
Alright. Fuck, both of these belong to me.
Sorry. Are you Snapchatting this shit, man?
No.
No.
Why are you hitting each other?
Thank God. That's all I need. That's all I need to regain mobility.
You guys are so out of breath.
Sonny, hold you.
Alright.
Hold the shoe.
You know next on it?
No, I'm not doing it. I'm not part of it. I'm not fucking part of it.